Now, sometimes you are given statements, that is called the statement form of an equation, and we have to convert it into an equation. Let us take some examples. Let us say if the statement is 2 added to a number, 2 added to a number gives 5. Now, this is a statement. This is called the statement form. 2 added to a number gives 5. This is a statement. Now, if I want to express this in the equation form, 2 added to a number. Now, this number we do not know. Let that number be x. So, our assumption will be let number be x. And therefore, if I am adding 2 to the number, so equation will become 2 plus x will give us what? Will give us 5. So, 2 added to a number gives 5. The equation of that will be x plus 2 is equal to 5. And the method to solve, as discussed, will be simple. All you have to do is keep the x here and shift this to the other side. That is going to become 5 minus 2. So, we can say x is 3. And we can verify this. We can put this value of x here. So, 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 is equal to 5. So, 2 added to a number gives 5 indicates that x plus 2 is 5. This is the equation and this is the statement. So, if you are given the equation, you could also be asked to write the statement for it. So, if you are given x plus 2 is 5 and we have to write the statement, we can say 2 added to a number gives 5. Let us take a similar example, but another statement. Let us say 3 times a number, 3 times a number added to 5, 3 times a number added to 5 gives 14. Now, this is a statement, 3 times a number added to 5 gives 14. So, we can say again, let the number be x. So, what is the question saying? The question is saying 3 times a number. So, 3 times means you are multiplying this number with 3. It is not 3 added to the number. If it is 3 added to the number, it will be 3 plus x. 3 times means we are multiplying. So, this is 3 times the number 3x, a number added to 5, that means we have to add 5. So, 3 times a number added to 5 gives us 14. So, gives us 14 means equal to 14. So, equation form of this will be 3x plus 5 is 14. Now, how are we going to solve this? If the question is find out that number, it is simple. We will keep the 3x here. We are going to shift this plus 5 on the right side. We get 14 minus 5. So, we get 3x is equal to 14 minus 5 is 9. So, x gives us 9 upon 3, that is 3. So, we get that number or the value of x as 3. We can substitute this value of x is 3 to verify our answer. We get 3 into 3 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So, we get 14 equal to 14. So, we can say LHS is equal to RHS. Now, let us consider a question where the reverse is given. That means the equation is given and you have to form the statement. Let us say the equation given to us is 5x minus 2 is 12. 5x minus 2 is 12. Now, this is an equation and we have to write it in statement form. So, we can say this is x, so this is the number, 5x means 5 times the number, you are subtracting 2. So, 2 is subtracted from 5 times a number and what is the result? The result is 12. So, we have to write this in statement form. So, we will say 2 subtracted from 5 times a number, 2 subtracted from 5 times a number gives 12. So, here we have converted the equation to a statement. So, 2 is subtracted from 5 times a number. Why 5 times a number? Because it is 5x, 5 and x are being multiplied. So, here 2 subtracted from 5 times a number gives 12. Gives 12 means it is equal to 12.